Good evening to the criminal community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo and also known as the Fire Jewel, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. Guys, a quick update and a wonderful and a good news to everyone in the community. As we know that the FARMWAR pre-sale was slated and was supposed to end in few hours time, but thank God, a news reaching us now is that it has been extended to when the launch will be done. Guys, this is a wonderful news. Good news, farm warriors receive a lot of message asking for extension of the tokens pre-sale. And here we are, listing on PancakeSwap on the 7th of February 2022. Pre-sale price will hold until then. It is kind of like an extension of the pre-sale. This is your time to be one of the pioneer. Guys, this is an unexpected opportunity. Yeah. So, guys, for as many who are yet to take the advantage, let's key into this and be one of the pioneer. Pioneer advantage one, you will get 10% game reward for 1 month, high rewards for 7 days, early access on the game, guys. So, join now and don't miss this chance to be part of this great opportunity. So, guys, this is a wonderful and a good news to every one of us this wonderful weekend. So, for as many who are yet to purchase their FARMWAR in this pre-sale, thank God it has been extended for the next 7 days till the 7th of February. Do not procrastinate again. There will be no any other extension. So, guys, let's go ahead and do that. And for as many of our downlines that we can, the fathers that we can inform, let's inform them. Let everybody come on board and let us partake in the pre-sale. It is wonderful. Don't forget, by the time it is launched, the price will shoot up. Thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.